Hello everyone. So today I'm going to showcase my new AI automated job scraping and then updating the resume if it matches the current resume that I'm giving with the job description that it gets. So total of 825 items from the job search it has got. I have given it a specific URL based on my needs. So it has got jobs as per my needs, and it is updating the resume if the job description matches all the skills and things that are needed in my resume, and then updating it as per the job description. So it has customized resume, all are here based on the job descriptions only if it matches the job description, and all the links and details to apply for those jobs are saved in the Google Sheets. This is how I'm using AI automation orchestration workflow here. Great work. Thank you so much.